What if you could transform your ideas into reality just by typing a sentence? Today, I'll show you how to use a groundbreaking AI tool that creates high-quality, cinematic videos from nothing more than a text prompt. Whether you're new to AI or already experimenting with video generation, this tutorial will walk you through how to use it, how to craft powerful prompts, and how to make the most of its free trial. And yes, it's free to try for a full month. Let's get started. This powerful tool is part of a cutting-edge video generation system developed by a leading tech company. It turns plain text into fully animated video scenes, complete with movement, effects, and even sound. Unlike many basic video generators, this one understands the elements that make videos feel cinematic. It captures realistic camera motion, lighting dynamics, and spatial composition, all from your words alone. But what really makes it stand out? It also generates audio. That means not only background music and ambient sounds, but also voice narration. You can literally write a line of dialogue, and the AI will deliver it in a fitting voice.
This new AI interface is really something. It's incredibly intuitive.
I agree, the learning curve seems almost non-existent.
To begin using this tool, you'll need to sign up for a subscription plan. Luckily, a free 30-day trial is available that unlocks all features. After signing up, log in with your account credentials. You'll land in the main AI workspace. Look for a section called Video. This is where you can begin crafting your AI-generated visuals. Now here's where the magic happens: writing your prompt. Instead of something vague like, a bird flying, try this much more descriptive version: a majestic eagle gliding through a canyon during sunrise, golden rays highlighting the rocky cliffs, shot in slow motion with cinematic orchestral music and light wind ambience. That single sentence gives the AI everything it needs to build a stunning scene. Once your prompt is ready, click the Submit button. The AI will begin building your video, using all the visual and audio cues you provided. Let's imagine we entered a futuristic train gliding through a neon-lit city at night, with rain on the windows, cinematic synth music playing, and glowing advertisements reflecting off the metal surface. After a few moments, the video will be rendered, complete with sound and smooth transitions. It's incredibly impressive how accurate and stylized the output can be. Overall, it does a fantastic job of bringing the scene to life. Want to include narration in your AI-generated video? It's easy. Just insert the desired line in quotation marks as part of your prompt. For example, an explorer enters a forgotten temple deep in the jungle. Then add, "The legend speaks of a treasure untouched for 1,000 years," in quotes. The AI will automatically generate and sync the narration with your scene. Once you're happy with the video, downloading is simple. Just hover over your completed video, click the download icon in the corner, and the MP4 file will be saved to your device. You can now upload or share it wherever you'd like: YouTube, social media, websites, and more. If you're unsure how to phrase a prompt, the platform's built-in AI assistant can help. You can ask it something like, "Can you help me write a cinematic prompt about astronauts exploring a new planet?" It will return detailed suggestions, including camera angles, music cues, emotional tone, and more. This is especially helpful if you're aiming for a certain style, like documentary, fantasy, sci-fi, or nature-inspired scenes. Want to review or reuse a previous video? On the left-hand panel, you'll see a history of all your past prompts and outputs. Just click into any past chat, and you can re-watch or modify the video as needed. No need to start from scratch. As these tools evolve, the line between what's real and what's generated gets thinner. But instead of fearing it, why not use it to create stories, visuals, and experiences that were once impossible to produce without expensive equipment? With a good idea, a little creativity, and the right prompt, anything is possible.